Alright, so today we're going to be replacing the wing glass in this door that we just installed on the J20. This is a far more in-depth process than I had expected. So y'all hang tight, and I'm not real comfortable on disassembling these doors, but I've done a couple of them, so I should be able to show you how to do this. And it's interesting. I haven't pulled a wing glass out till I pulled the wing glass out of this one. And I'm kind of starting to wonder if not having the actual glass in the frame made that a lot easier. And it was not. It wasn't very easy. So I'll get you set up here, and we're gonna go ahead and pull the wing glass out of this door and put it into that one. I swapped this door onto the truck, um, and it's actually not in a whole lot better shape than this door. It has less rust, but there is a dent on the outside of it. But the driver's door yesterday, we fought for like all day long, and it had to be replaced without a doubt. So let me figure out how I'm gonna set you up, and we'll get to disassembling this door. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is you need to remove the window crank and the door latch. So this one I robbed the window crank out of to put on another vehicle. Um, but we're going to go ahead and pull the door latch off of it. Set that over here out of the way. The next thing you're going to do is pull the armrest off. It's two Phillips head screws. Let's see if I can do that with this real quick. That. Set that over here because it's actually in really good shape. And then we got to remove all of these self-tapping screws that are holding the door card on. That one didn't strip. That's good. It was not holding anything. That one didn't strip. And that one didn't strip, so good deal. Alright, now I've got to get a 1/4-inch driver to take those out real fast, and once I get the door card off, I'll show you the first step here, removing this wing glass. Okay, now that we have our door card off and have everything opened up so we can see it, the first step you're going to have to do to remove this wing glass is there's 4 screws right here in this top drip rail. You're going to remove those 4 screws. There is a screw in here that you have to get to take out. Once you have the top 4 screws removed, you have to take this center bar out of the window. It all comes out as one piece. So there's 2 big Phillips head screws right there underneath the door card trim. Pull them out. This door's been apart before. This door is actually not in terrible shape, except for just the bottom's plumb rotted out of it and the skin's rotted on the outside. But the internals of this door are actually not bad. Okay, then we're going to have to move on down here. And there's a bracket underneath the main window that you're going to have to take loose. So we'll go ahead and pop it apart. I have to hold that bracket with my hand. I might have to put the camera down to do that. You're also going to have to remove these 2 Phillips head screws. That fucking figures. Once you have that bottom piece removed, the bracket on the inside, you're going to take your window. Once you have that bar removed and down out of the way, This one the window's all jacked up on, and you're going to push your window down, and then you're going to get it out of the track and turn the window sideways within the door. That way you can get this center bar loose and out of the way. So let me go ahead and get that window wrestled around, and then I'll show you pulling the bar out. Now, the tabs that are down there are bent in different ways, so you have to look down through the door and rotate the whole assembly two separate ways as you come up with it. We'll get caught up on it. Get that out. Watch my couple tabs. First, come up through there, roll this back, and roll it the side, roll it out like that. And that's what the entire wing glass assembly looks like. So that's how you remove the wing glass assembly in a J series or a full size Cherokee or Wagoneer door. So it's not real fun, but there it is. Alright, so there we go. Reassembled. It's not fitting the gasket quite perfect, but I could have bent the frame getting it out. I'm not too worried about it. Like I said, it's a work truck. It'll keep 90% of the water out. Window goes up and down good. I'm going to clean up a door card and put back on here. And this side will be good. Then all we got to do is throw the window back in that side, which now should be experienced at enough that it shouldn't be any trouble at all. And we'll be done with this little door project. So y'all have a good one.